Hi guys, we are going to make some brownies, and let me show you the ingredients that we are going to. This is how we're going to make it. This will surprise you. It's very healthy, and this is cocoa powder, cinnamon, almond milk. I don't know if you know this. It's high protein, and coconut oil. We also need some honey and almond flour. Going to first put almond milk. I want to use 2 teaspoons. So the second one is cocoa powder. This is baking powder. You can see the measurement. And now we're going to add 3 teaspoons of almond milk. This is almond milk. We need 3 teaspoons. That is 1, 2, 3. Okay, this one now is coconut oil. This is cinnamon. It's needed. I like cinnamon. Okay guys, this is the protein powder that we are adding. Let's do about this spoon. This is honey. Let's add the honey. Then we're going to mix. Guys, look at what we made. So I'm using big spoon to mix it so that it can mix well. So guys, we are going to put it in microwave to cook. We are checking how it goes. Let's check. The aroma is so nice. Whoa, it remains more. Let's wait small. Okay, so guys, this is it. So guys, this is it. This is what we made. This is what we make. Let's have a taste first. So hot. It's nice. We're going to add the last honey in it. So let's mix it. It's all done. More brownie. More brownie. Can you see my brownie? healthy one. Enjoy your cookie.